Hello friends, Be Online Interview Ready Part 2. Tip number 6. Proper lighting and its position is very crucial to ensure quality picture and professionalism. We all understand the importance of lighting, and if this lighting is not proper, we know that the interviewer would not be able to gauge our body language. Neither would he or she be able to understand what kind of expressions, facial expressions, whether maintaining eye contact is there or not, and other features would also be not visible to the interviewer. So, for ensuring this, we need to either get adequate natural light, or we may arrange for LED lights which need to be placed diagonally. Of course, these need to be placed in front of us about 2.5 to 3.5 feet away from you on your left and right side. There's another option. You may sit facing a large window. But in this particular situation, there's a probability that the weather condition gets changed and the shadow or the lighting could also vary. Tip number 7. Make the background look more professional, and if not professional, at least make it look neutral. So when it comes to making the background look more professional, we may choose a wall which is not going to, in any case, come on the way of marring the effect of my clothes. The color or the shade of the clothes that I wear need to be in contrast with the background. Also, you can place a nice green plant, or you may go for a wall which has some solid color or a shade which is going to accentuate and not hinder your professional outlook. Number 8. Test the equipment well. We all know that any electronic gadget can go wrong, can anytime fail us. So it's important to first understand the equipment that I'm going to make use of during the interview session. Secondly, in case there are any aspects related to the equipment that we are to use during the interview process, we need to consult some expert or anybody who could guide us in the best possible manner. Number 9. Check and decide your pose in the webcam in advance. Yes, I do understand that we all are these days more than confident when it comes to posing, thanks to all the selfies that we've been taking day in, day out. But still, I would honestly and earnestly advise you all to first check which pose, which particular position suits your stance, because the web camera can anytime ditch us. So it's better to always in advance check the position, the posture, the gestures which we choose to make use of during the interview session, because otherwise even they are going to hinder in the selection process. Avoid slouching or sitting in a creaky chair. It's better not to choose a chair which is a large one. Rather, choose a small chair, a chair which doesn't make any creaky noise, a chair which doesn't hamper your sitting posture. A chair which is both comfortable at the same time not making any unwanted noise or sound. Number 10. Elevate your laptop to eye level by either using a laptop stand or going back to the good old days, stacking or placing books, pile of papers or boxes, etc. underneath it so that an eye level distance is always taken care of. Number 11. Look into the camera lens as a substitute to maintaining eye contact. Yes, I do understand that many of you would definitely say it is so very inconvenient to be looking into the lens, the camera lens, and then speaking. But then we need to understand that this is not any scenario, it's something very serious. You are facing an interview in which the interviewer or interviewers must think that you are looking right into the eye and you are not nervous or trying to tell a lie. So it's always advisable to look into the camera lens. Doesn't mean that it needs to be a fixed way of looking, but then try to maintain that as much as possible.